I first wanted to start by saying a big thank you. A big thank you for being that community that builds tech capability in every organization in the world. The tech intensity as a formula is something that we've talked about for a while now. It's a pretty straightforward formula, but there are some nuances. Trust is of paramount importance. The power law in this equation is all around trust. We want every company out there to be a tech company in its own right, and you are the community that's going to make that happen, and our mission is to empower you to do that. When you look at these two numbers, 50 billion devices by 2030 and 175 zettabytes of data by 2025. That's what is motivating the need for us to build Azure as this distributed computing fabric, as the world's computer. Today, one of the most exciting announcements for us is this next big step forward in hybrid computing. I'm really thrilled to announce Azure Arc. Azure Arc really marks the beginning of this new era of hybrid computing, where there is a control plane built for multi-cloud, multi-edge. And not only that, but we, for the first time, support managed data services to be anywhere your compute is. And today, I am really thrilled to announce Azure Synapse. We are taking the same approach of using the cloud-native memory hierarchy and storage hierarchy to redefine the rules around analytic workloads. We want to bring together what until today have been two separate categories: data warehousing and big data. That means your unstructured and structured analytics can be brought together with unprecedented scale. And so one of the things that we are thinking about is, how do we change the game again in storage? Now, Warner Brothers stores some of the most iconic movies of our time, Superman, Wizard of Oz, in storage systems like the one you see in the picture behind me. It's all in film, it's in a temperature-controlled room, and that means it's fragile. We said, okay, what if we sort of rethought this? What if we can take a piece of glass? This is just a regular quartz glass, and using femtolasers, we were able to etch into this glass the entire Superman movie. But the interesting thing, of course, is the reliability of this piece of glass. So we put it through the ringer, boiled it, baked it, we shook it around, we tried to scratch it with wool, still have the Superman movie. And so that's the frontier of new storage systems. Now, the last area around pushing the frontiers of computing is quantum. Today, we still have many unsolved problems, right? Whether it's around food safety or climate change or energy transition, these are big challenges that need more computing. And today, I'm very, very excited to announce Azure Quantum. And as we talk about developers, it's not just the professional developers who are building applications. One of the phenomena we see is citizen developers getting involved in a very deep way. We are going to have 500 million applications that are going to get created, new, by 2023. So that means we need to empower citizen developers with tools so that they can build out these applications. In fact, there are already 2.5 million citizen developers using Power Platform. Today, I'm really pleased to announce two new members of the Power family, Power Automate and Power Virtual Agents. Now, the next step forward for us is knowledge. You're using your devices, you're using these applications, you're creating perhaps the most valuable data. We want to convert that into knowledge that accrues on a continuous basis. This is, again, putting your data to work for you. And so I'm really thrilled to announce Project Cortex And Project Cortex takes what is data today inside of your organization and converts it into knowledge. 60% of our time on PCs does get spent in the browser. Is our data safe and private? Why can't we find the information inside our organization like we do on the web? We are going to innovate across both our browser in Edge as well as Bing and Search. I want to end by talking about another fun experience, Minecraft Earth.
So if we look down here, we see a minecart with a chicken. Maybe if you guys mine the track up here on the surface, we can repair the track and send the chicken home. And Minecraft Earth is out in a few select countries in early access, and it's going to be coming to the rest of the world very, very soon.
Fantastic. Thank you all very, very much. Have a fantastic Ignite. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.